another viral launch for which I received so many DMs that Nidhi, you need to check out this and try this out. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to another Amazon haul video wherein we'll be testing out some new makeup launches as well as a few skincare launches as well, because there's a lot that has been stirring up the market and I really want to test it out myself. So all unsponsored reviews here. So let's get started quickly with today's video. And if you're seeing me for the very first time and new to the channel, hi, my name is Nidhi and welcome to the Trend Diaries. So let's get started quickly because for this particular video, I am very excited. So let's quickly wrap up with skincare first. I picked up these viral serums from the house of Dot & Key. It is fragrance free, alcohol free, and they went viral. I had them all over my feed, so I thought of purchasing it. I bought one and I personally loved the formula, so I bought another one later on. I have to say the formula is actually very nice. The ingredient list is clean, the packaging is very cute, and if you two are thinking to buy it, I personally would give it a go because it contains strawberry extracts as well as 10% niacinamide, which would help to fade dark spots as well as help to fight dullness and dryness of the skin. Can also be combated with the help of strawberry extract that is there in the formula. Now the formula of the serum is very lightweight and gets easily absorbed in the skin. The pink color is not at all a dye that is added. It is because of vitamin B12 that is added in the formula, so it has its own natural color. Now vitamin B12 also helps to combat dullness as well as dryness of the skin, to combat it, and it also contains 10% niacinamide, which would give you even skin tone and also help to fade acne spots or dark spots on the skin. So very lightweight serum, gets easily absorbed and does not sting. Perfect for even sensitive skin types. You can definitely give it a try. I've already used this much and I have a new one with me. Personally love it and would recommend it 100%. This serum from Dot & Key is available at a discounted price right now for 20% off for just 359 rupees for the 20 ml pack. You also get it in a 50 ml variant. Definitely check it out because right now Amazon has their Great Indian Festival live, so it's like the best time to shop for all your festive needs because discounts are raining your ways in October. So let's move to the makeup part now. So next up is another viral launch for which I received so many DMs that Nidhi, you need to check out this and try this out. So here I am with the new launch from the house of Maybelline. It's their Superstay Flex Powder Foundation. I picked up the shade 310. Let's talk about my shades first. So I already own their Superstay Liquid Foundation and I honestly really like this foundation. It is not like the original Superstay foundation. It is much more lighter and feels very breathable than the original Superstay. So I do love this formula even more. I own two shades, 330 and 310, while I just checked and they've also launched a new shade which is 311 and not 312. I don't know why, because 312 is my absolutely perfect shade match in Fit Me. So they just skipped out on 312 but instead launched 311. I have not tried it, and now this foundation is also available in a mini tube variant for you to try it out if you want to purchase it or not. But yes, what I do is basically I mix both of these shades and use it. So I'll just swatch all of these as well so that you get a gist of my shade, and then we'll be testing out the powder foundation on one side and the liquid foundation on the other. That is 310, this is 330, and that is Fit Me in 312. This is Superstay in 310, Superstay in 330. Definitely quite warm for me. And that is Fit Me in 312, which is my correct shade match. Let's swatch the Flex Powder Foundation in the shade 310. That is 310 in the powder foundation. So that is the packaging that you would get the Flex Powder Foundation in. It has a nice square lightweight packaging. The shade that I picked is 310. They say it gives up to 30 hours of a full coverage, resist creasing and cracking, water, heat and transfer resistant, UVA and UVB sun protection, as well as does not clog pores. So let's try it out. You do get a puff to apply the powder as well as a mirror, so which makes it super easy to travel with. Now I personally am a dry skin type and I avoid using puffs to apply my powder because with that I get a more matte finish, which I personally do not like. I like a light set to my base. So what I like to use is a brush over puff, but if you're oily skin type you might like a puff more. So I'll be using the Mars powder brush in the number BRF 10. I really like this dense packing brush. So let's pick up the powder on the brush and apply. So I do have acne mark right here, so let's see with this if it covers up or not. Okay, well, you can see it right away. The coverage is definitely there. Let's hit it underneath my eyes. Oh, well, you can definitely see the difference on this side where there is a no product, while on this side wherein I'm wearing the Flex Powder Foundation. Definitely this product has a very nice coverage added to it. I'll zoom you guys in. The pores look blurred right over here, as well as you can see the coverage right here wherein I had the acne mark. So that definitely is living up to the claim of full coverage. So that is how it looks with the brush. Let's apply a little bit of it with the puff to see if the coverage is increased. Oh my god, that is way too much. So if you want like a full beat, you can definitely use the puff because that packs in way more coverage than the brush. The brush would definitely give you a more diffused look. Right now my pores look blurred. Apart from the shade match thing, I guess everything is really good about this powder foundation. I guess this shade is just not my perfect match. I really wish they come up with more shades. Yes, they did good in the shade range, but I expect more shades from them. And if you ask me to compare the Maybelline Flex Powder Foundation with the L'Oreal Infallible one, definitely I would recommend the Maybelline one over it because I feel this formula is much more lighter and feels very airlight on the skin in comparison to the L'Oreal one. And two is that this has a better shade range than the L'Oreal one. So I would go ahead with the Superstay from Maybelline. So yes, that was about the Maybelline Superstay Flex Powder Foundation. It is available on Amazon right now at a discounted price, so definitely check it out. The MRP of this is $799 while it is available at a 20% discount for 639 rupees. So definitely check it out and let me know if you want to see a detailed review video and comparison of this and the Superstay liquid. I'll do that as well. Now let's move on to a new brand which is launched and now available in India, which is House of Her, which is also available on Amazon, and they have the most beautiful serum infused blushes, and I so wanted to try it out. I picked up the mini size. This is the House of Her Moist Ampoule blusher. The shade that I picked is 03 Rose Brown. The blush is made in Korea and has a very beautiful packaging. It just looks like a nail paint bottle, and this is the mini variant. And that is how the paddle shaped applicator looks like that you would get with this blush. It is a silicone tip and also has a nice bend given to it, so you can directly use this to apply the blush. Now that is the shade Rose Brown. I'm using pack 131 to blend it out. So basically these blushes are known for their serum and skincare infused benefits with makeup. Now these blushes have a very sheer formula and they're light on pigment, but they add that nice shine and glow to your face. It has a serum like thin finish. It's not like your regular liquid blushes. These are more serum based and lightweight. This shade looks so natural on my skin tone and looks very beautiful, honestly. And you can see how beautiful it looks on my skin. Definitely the high shine glow is because it includes 50% of moisture essence, and that is the reason why it is quite hydrating because of the skincare infused formula. So it is definitely not for someone who wants a straight straight up flush of color on the skin. This gives a very natural, low intensity, dewy, blushed look on your face, which looks extremely natural, and that is the reason why I personally love it. So that was House of Her in the shade Rose Brown, and this cost us 999 for 10 ml of the product. It also comes in a full size. You can definitely check it out on Amazon. And then let's talk about another viral launch from the house of Mars Cosmetics. They dropped the most stunning launch, which was the most required during the festive time. It's their Starlit pot eyeshadows. How pretty is the packaging? Mars knows their packaging game really well. I picked up two shades, 02 and 05. These pot eyeshadows are launched in 6 shades to choose from, and that is how cute the packaging is. Now, the packaging has good weight because it is glass and feels so luxe. In the hand, inside, when you open it up, you get a stopper to avoid the shadows being messy. That feels super creamy to the very first touch. Let's swatch it. That is shade number 2. Wow. So the more you press on it, you can definitely see the base color popping up along with the shimmer. So it definitely has a foiled texture, but the more you press on it, you can see the base color popping up with the shimmer as well. So you can get both the looks with a single eyeshadow. Next up is shade number 5. Wow, just look at how these shadows are glistening and the color shift. So pretty. See, the more you rub onto them, you can see the base color popping through it. How pretty, man. This looks surreal. If you two are not that great in your eyeshadow game, just buy these single shadow pots and you'll be sorted. Just apply this and you'll be sorted. Let's try out 02. See, when you first tap it, you can see the shimmer coming up. But the more you kind of press onto it, you can see the base color popping as well. Wow, now that looks insane on my eyes. On the other eye, I'm trying shade number 5. It definitely translates more green gold. That looks so damn pretty. Those were the Mars Starlit pot eyeshadows. Don't mind me wearing 2 different colors, but these pot eyeshadows are priced at 399 rupees only, while you can grab them right now for a 10% discount for even lesser. So definitely check out the Great Indian Festival of Amazon. They're priced at 359 rupees right now because the sale is already live and the offers are crazy right now. So definitely check it out. And yes, that was me trying out a bunch of new makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then hit the thumbs up button and definitely subscribe to the Trend Eyes for more such videos, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.